If your customers are asking for sustainable wood and paper products, certification is the best process to offer them. AGC's Chain of Custody kit takes the guesswork out of your FSC COC audits and can save your team time, money, and up to 7 days on your certification. Our Chain of Custody kit not only helps you avoid documentation-related nonconformities and FSC corrective actions, but it also offers you the benefit of our expertise, expanded upon by data from our entire pool of users, to help you address any issues that do come up with assistance from our helpful team of expert consultants. Use our simple Word document format to answer a few simple questions, anytime, day or night, on your schedule. And you'll have the required paperwork needed to pass your audit with flying colors. Learn more and take a tour at americangreenconsulting.com/kitcoc.